What is that? A volcano?
Whoa. Whoa. It's still erupting.
Whoa, look at it. It's still going.
You can touch it.
You can touch it.
You touch it.
Okay.
No, that was right next to it.
Oh, look. It's still going fast now.
Whoa.
I touched it.
Look at it go.
It's a volcano. Mama, where's my spoon?
No, you no spoon. What do you use spoon for?
To mix it.
Oh, no, don't mix it. Ah, we got it.